Hi guys, this is Christian again, Service Advisor here at Romano Mazda. Welcome back to another weekly rendition of Mazda service tips. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn your infotainment screen on in the event if it gets powered off. So if you ever find yourself entering your vehicle and you have no screen that is present, have no fear. What we're going to have you do is put the vehicle in reverse. If your backup camera illuminates on the screen, that means that your power has just been turned off. The manual power override for the infotainment system on these vehicles is going to be the volume knob located on your center console here. This knob can actually be depressed in, so we'll depress in and hold until we hear a beep, and then our radio system is back on, functioning as designed. I hope this tip helped you guys out in taking your Mazda ownership to the next level. We will see you back next week for another rendition of our Mazda service tips. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope you have a lovely day.